Hello and welcome. This is a very short video which is going to show you how to do screen recording on an iPad. Screen recording on an iPad is easy, but it's a little bit tricky finding out how to activate the setting. So you don't need to download another app. You don't need to pay any money. There's already an app inside the iPad. You just need to activate it. So how do we do that? Well, go to Settings, and then in Settings you need to go down to Control Center. Click on Control Center. And in Control Center, you can see the apps which are already activated, but then you have to go down here. There are some apps which have not yet been activated. And here we can see Screen Recording. So this app is the one for recording screens, but it's not been activated. So simply click the green button, okay, and then it will move up here. And now you have this app on your iPad, okay. So you have it now installed, but you can't find the app on here. It's not with the regular apps. So you have to look very carefully. You have to go up to the top right hand corner and you'll pull down, and then you'll see the screen recording app is now hidden down here. See this circle at the bottom. Now if I click this, it will start recording. However, it won't yet be recording voice. So the microphone is not yet connected. So if you want to do a screen recording with the voice, you need to press this and hold on to it for a second until the microphone image comes up below. And you'll see here, microphone off. So then what you do is you click on that again, microphone on. Okay, and now you are ready to start recording your screen. So you can then click 3, 2, 1. And you can talk about the different things that you're doing on your iPad, and you can show the different apps that you're running. Okay, and when you're finished, you simply come over here and you press stop again. Okay, you can see the recording has been saved, and let's now make sure that the here we are. Yeah. You can talk about the different things that you're doing on your iPad, and you can show the different apps that you're running. There you go. And you can see that the recording now has the microphone working and screen recording as well. So a very, very useful tip. Like I said, the apps are inside the iPad. Don't need to buy anything. Don't need to go to the App Store. Just need to activate it and then also activate the microphone. Okay. So thanks for watching. I hope that has helped, and you can now go ahead and record the screen on your iPad.